Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm here to do arbitrage for you all to see. So today I'll be using the coin called Bitcoin. Yeah, so I'll be using Binance and one exchange that I will not disclose yet. Yeah, but if you know the exchange and you pass by and go and do your own arbitrage and you encounter any problem, that's your own shit, that's your own problem. Yeah, but if you sign up with my mentorship and I give you the platform awards, I will teach you how you can do on the platform so that you will not messed up. Yeah, so let's get started. Yeah, so this is Binance, and today you'll be trading using Bitcoin, that's BTC. So right now, when I open the BTC, the value right now for buying of the BTC is what? It's 84,405. So it means that if I want one BTC, I have to spend $84,405. Yeah, but I can't buy all the BTC, so I have to buy a small portion. That is why you can see my portfolio that I have 101 BTC, and that's what I'll be using it for. Yeah, but because of TikTok and YouTube rules, if you're doing something live, at times they give something. That's why we don't do things for you all to say we cut is that thing. Yeah. So I'll go to the platform. So when I come to the platform, I'll go to the exchange. So when I come to the exchange, so first of all, I'll have to exchange BTC to USDT. So before I will do that, I'll be using 0.0012 to do it. So I'll be using, and let me select USDT. Yeah, and let me push it here. So my available USD is 0.0012. So let me show you something. So if I come to my Binance here, you can see that I have 0.0011 right now. It's time to run 1. So let me go and do it 0.01. So I have to use this. I have to go here and use the converter 0.00119. So I have to use the converter. So watch me how I'm doing this. 0.0 to USDT. So 0.0011988. I'll copy it. So which means that this money is equivalent to $100. So if I come here and I paste it over here, before you do the exchange, you have to check and see whether it's profitable. So if I convert the same amounts here, I'll be earning $110. So it means that I've earned $10 as what? As profit. I hope you see it. It means that I've earned $10 as profit. That is why I'm saying that before you initiate a trade, do your calculations first. Don't just say I'm doing it. No, do your calculation first before you initiate a trade. Do your calculation first. I'm telling you, do your calculation first before you initiate a trade. Yeah. So if I come here, you can see that the same amount on Binance that gave me $100 over here is what? $110.82. So it means that I'll be making $10 profit. Then you deduct the fee from it. So if I go to deposit, you have to know all this thing. Deposit of, so let's say I'm depositing $100. So you have to know that. So here the payment method is Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. So I'm choosing Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin, and you copy your address over here and go to your Binance wallet to do your deposit. Yeah, so here, if I'm withdrawing Bitcoin, if I'm withdrawing Bitcoin on Binance, is BEP20 and Bitcoin and Ethereum. So on that platform, it's only Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin price over here, the fee is what? The Bitcoin fee is what? 2.53. Then I will deduct the 2.53 from the $10 profits. So it means that, let's say, even if it's $30, deducting it from the $10, making it $7. So it means that I have profit of what? $7 on every $100 trade. So if I'm trading with $100, every trade I will make, I'll be getting $7 profit. Listen to it very carefully. People will be doing the trade and they will not search for the address. At times the address will be different from one exchange address. You see that thing? At times it will be the same. So when it's the same, then you calculate the fee the address is what requesting. So let's say you are in $10 and the fee of the address is $10. It means that you're at the end of the trade, you'll be making nothing. So you have to know all these things. So you have to what? Know all these things. You have to know that if I am exchanging one money, or if I'm transferring money from Binance to another platform, I have to use address, and every address comes with a fee. So if I'm transferring Bitcoin using Bitcoin address, is $2.53. So it means that Bitcoin will deduct you $2.53 if you want to transfer money from Binance to other exchange using Bitcoin. They will deduct that amount from your money. So you have to add that money to it so that they will deduct it and you get exactly $100 in your account. So first of all, you have to know that you are so before you initiate any trade, you have to know that you are deducting this amount from this amount. You are doing this, I'll be earning this, then after that I will deduct the fee from it. The rest is my what? Take home profit. People don't do that, and I think I have to do 5 mistakes why people fail doing arbitrage. There are certain things that you have to know, or you have to jot it down before you initiate a trade. At times you see that, okay, oh, this and that, if I do it, I will make money, I will earn profit, I will do this, I will do that. But meanwhile, when you do it, you will not earn anything. So you have to know what you are doing. I hope you understand. Yeah. So this how you do arbitrage with $100 and earn $7 profits. So you'll be earning $10 and you deduct the fee from it, making it $7 as your take-home profits. Yeah. So if you want someone to mentor you or to guide you, you can DM me and I will guide you through. Some people will be saying that, oh Charlie, but you are earning money, bro. Dangote still the farm money. That's why I learned the skill. I didn't learn the skill for free, so I can't give it out for free. Yeah. So that's it. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to follow me for more. I'm out.